Thanks for joining today's session. So in this video, I will demonstrate about how to run the Selenium scripts via Docker. So in the previous example where I had covered a Selenium grid parallel execution with hub and node. So here I will be covering how we could use the same script to run on Docker. So if you go to Docker Hub portal, you will have search so many containers. So in this we have, if you search for Selenium, so we have Selenium Hub, Selenium Node Chrome, and Selenium Node Firefox. So in the current example, I will be running Selenium Grid tests on Chrome and Firefox. So just to give you a background, Docker is nothing but containerization where you can bundle your application, database, programs, everything, and run it on a container. So whereby you effectively utilize your machine infrastructure. You need not have to set up separate virtual machines and infrastructure to running your uh, applications. So currently my this machine does not support Docker. So as in, like, I have taken a remote PC where I could install Docker. And if you see here, Docker is running here. And in this main concept of Docker here is we try to create a docker compose.yml file where we give the hub container name, the image, then Chrome container details, and then Firefox and the port number where we want to have the hub listening to. And then there are some couple of simple commands for Docker which helps to start the compose file. So there is a command called docker compose up -d scale. So how many instances of Chrome and Firefox you want to run, basically you can give the count here. And once you run this command, it basically downloads all the container packages, and then it it gets the latest, and then it's basically creates those Docker, Chrome, and Firefox instances, creating hub, everything. So once these are done, you can go and check the status like Docker ps -a, and gives you the status here. So after this, what I have done is I took the IP address of this machine, which is currently 1.11, and I'm going to run my tests connecting to this Docker environment. So Docker desktop is running. Okay. So I'll come back here, and this, if you see here, I've given that IP address and this, and if I try to access the grid console, I can see these many nodes of Chrome and Firefox running, 5 each. And then I go to Eclipse, my current project which I have put it in Git under the name Selenium Grid Maven Test Engine Parallel. So I just take that project now, and I have the same sets of testng and pom.xml as per this thing. So only change I have done here is I gave the IP address of that machine where Docker desktop is running with 5 nodes of Chrome and Firefox. Right click on this project, run as Maven test. So this ideally should run the test on the Docker container, which is on another PC. So you can see the output here. It's basically a simple Google site launch tests, and then it has executed 4 test runs on the Docker machine. So, and then once we execute, we get the reports here.